do, what I do? It's the Pepper Fam gang. It's your girl Nehemiah, and today we're gonna be making slime. So here's all my ingredients. We got 2 glue, glow in the dark, and clear glue. Then we got the I forgot what it's called, activator. And then we got shaving cream because I want to make it puffy. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna do like regular. I mean, not regular glue in the dark, so it's just, yeah, no, that's not gonna work regular. No. My goodness. Yeah, we're not gonna make too much, cause like, they just want me to make so much. Because I want to make a lot of this, so we're gonna put a little bit of this because I want some clear glue, you know. Yeah. Now we're gonna stir it up for a little bit. See, look, that's already turned into slime. I haven't put the activator or the shaving cream. Okay, open the shaving cream. Just a little bit now, because we don't want it to go everywhere. Now we're gonna mix. Okay, now we're going to the activator. Just a little bit. Boy. That's it. Now we're gonna mix again. This is gonna take a while, but that's okay. Okay, we need some more. Okay, I wish I had another one. Yeah, we're making yellow for that yellow. Yeah, it's yellow. It's transforming. It might don't look like it is. Trust me, guys, it is. Watery though. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess right now. Oh, this is crazy. This is gonna take a while. I keep throwing it out. That's how hard it is. We don't really look like that, but trust me, we're gonna have to keep mixing as best as we can. Put some more glue, you know, to make it real sticky. We need to stick together. Yeah, there you go. Like that. Alright. We don't have to get all of it, so yeah, that's okay. Keep stirring though. Okay. Okay, now this is the messy part right here. I have to pull up the sleeves if you got long sleeves on right now. You have to mix it up your hand. This is like the messiest part you have to do. Yeah. I got some glitter, that's cool. And at the end, I'm going to turn off the lights and see how the glow cut. So this is going to be the messiest part. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're so tired. Okay. Now, it's basically done. We just have to make sure we just have to keep it like cool for like a few days, and then it'll be like a regular slime. It's just not so stickier than this. But we're about to turn off the lights to see, so I'm about to turn off the light right now so we can see how it looks like. Okay guys, so now I'm in the bathroom because like there's no other place that's dark in the house. So yeah, we're about to see if my slime will glow up. So let's get started. Whoa. It's like glow. I didn't actually leave the store. Yeah, that's so good. That's good. Yeah, I'm trying to take some. Okay, so that's how you make slime, and now I'm just making another one because it's like so fun. But this one's not ready yet, and Deanna's just taking my other one that I've been playing with the whole time, and now I'm making a new one. And that's how you pretty much make slime. Fluffy one too, crunchy. Trust me. And make sure you like and subscribe, and turn on the bell. I don't know how to say it correctly, so turn on the bell, and like, yeah, pretty much. Peace.